usually po ba, ilan po ba talaga ang dapat percentage or profit margin percentage sa isang product po sa wholesale? Wala po talaga kasi akong perfect idea about that po.
Ang pinaka-best kasi basis niyan, especially kasi we're talking about food 'di ba?
Yes
Yung
po.
FMCG and fast moving consumer good pa rin 'yan 'di ba? Check mo muna yung competition mo. Have you done your SWOT analysis, yung strength, weakness, opportunities and threat? Nagawa mo na ba 'yon?
Yes po.
Oh, so,
Opo.
so I'm sure alam mo na yung mga competition mo, magkano yung mga pricing. So in other words, you cannot price it higher, 'di ba, than your competition. Do you agree?
Yes po.
So if you cannot price it higher, ang labanan yan ganito. Ito yung labanan. You find the best supplier. 'Di ba? Kasi kunyari, current supplier mo, binibigay sa'yo 100, binibenta mo let's say 150. What if kung may makuha kang supplier na 80 pesos? Sample lang. 'Di ba? Yung competition mo is getting it at 100. So in other words, you're getting it at a better price. And then number two, on top of that, the only way that you can price yourself better, higher, if you create a product na meron ka lang. Yung tinatawag naming USP, Unique Selling Proposition. Pag ikaw lang may produkto na yan na wala silang mapupuntahan, wala silang choice, you can already command the price. So dalawa ang strategy mo ngayon. Ang first strategy, find a better supplier na talagang can give you a better price. And then number two, create and find a product na ikaw lang talaga magdi-distribute para no choice, you can dictate the price.